Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer, trip odometer, compass.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.